India Inc. is doing a good job. I would request India Inc. to be in touch with us and also continue to give us feedback as to how we make Digital India more successful.
I know I'm actually very honored to be here at this event organized by India Inc. I think it's a great forum for like-minded people to come and express their views and discuss how we can make this Digital India vision into a reality. So thank you, India Inc.
It's extremely topical and relevant to have a forum such as this. And it's also important that industry peers, government representatives and academia come together to brainstorm and look at how to take the Prime Minister's vision forward, right? And India Inc. has been exceptional in terms of bringing together this interesting group of people. And hopefully at the end of the day, there would be a set of meaningful recommendations that we could submit to the government.
Very excited about the platform that you have created. It's a very focused platform that has bringing the right relevant stakeholders together and focusing the energy on very specific topics. I think I would like to congratulate you on what you guys are doing. This is something that I'm attending for the first time and already very inspired to see what I've seen in the last couple of hours that I've been here.
India Inc. is always ahead of the curve in its ideas, in its promotion of business potential especially in India and between India and Britain and India and the rest of the world. It actually thinks 2 steps ahead of its competitors, its peers, and sometimes even of governments.
One of the things we discuss in the conclave also is how do we make people more aware globally about the investment potential, the business potential of a particular program. Platforms like India Inc. enable that globally. And this is exactly what this conclave is doing both in India and in the US.